Excuse me.
Yeah.
Babe, excuse me.
What is it?
I want to talk to you.
Quickie, 15,000. Short time, 30,000.
Jesus.
A night, 100,000 naira. 1 week, 500,000 naira. 1 month, 5 million. 1 year is 20 million naira. 10 years is 200 million naira. Then, if you want to spend 100 years with me, which is 1 century, you will give me 3 billion naira.
Blood of Zachariah. But babe, this is not what I mean. I want us to talk about love.
No, please. It is either you're in or out. This is what I hate about men. If you are not interested, please don't follow me again. I'm leaving here now.
But babe, calm down now. But babe, see, can you just calm down? Let's talk. Let's just have a heart-to-heart talk. Understand me? This thing, the love I feel for you is above my limits. Understand me? I know I don't have silver and gold now, but I know the Lord will provide for me. I'm an usher in my church. Don't forget, I'm a Christian. You get me?
I will give you back. Hell away from me. What is wrong with you?
Oh yeah, put it. Have you put it?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Put it.
Put it inside now.
Okay, ma. Okay, ma.
Oh yeah, start hitting. Start hitting.
Jesus.
Madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
Continue. Don't worry.
Yes, ma.
You're not doing this thing like a young boy. I hope you're not lazy. You make me happy, I'll make you happy. Do this thing now. Yes. Please hurry up before my man comes here. Please. Vows. Hit it. Yeah, hit it. Yes. Yes. Harder. Yes. Hit. Yeah, there, right there.
Okay, ma.
Right there. Yes. Yes. You know what, I'm coming. Let me just ease myself, I'm coming, yes.